The U.S. Supreme Court delivered a major ruling on Friday against TikTok in its challenge to a federal law that could ban the popular app or force its sale by its Chinese parent company, ByteDance. The decision upheld a law requiring TikTok's divestiture or ban in the United States, citing national security concerns over its Chinese ownership. The justices ruled that the law, passed with strong bipartisan support in Congress and signed by President Joe Biden, did not violate the First Amendment's protection of free speech. This overturned an earlier decision by a lower court that had sided with TikTok, ByteDance, and some app users. The case, which was heard on January 10, just days before the January 19 deadline set under the law, revolved around balancing free speech rights with national security concerns. At the center of the debate was TikTok's powerful algorithm, which serves personalized short videos to approximately 270 million American users, roughly half of the country's population. The Biden administration argued that the app's Chinese ownership posed a significant risk to U.S. national security. Justice Department lawyer Elizabeth Prelogar stated that the Chinese government could compel ByteDance to hand over sensitive data about American users or engage in covert influence campaigns. She warned that TikTok's vast dataset could be weaponized for harassment, espionage, or recruitment, making its control by a foreign adversary a grave threat. The law, passed in April 2024, was designed to mitigate these risks by either forcing the app's sale to an American entity or banning it altogether. TikTok and ByteDance, alongside some users, appealed to the Supreme Court after losing a December 6 case in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. They argued that the law infringed on First Amendment rights and would harm millions of content creators, advertisers, and employees. TikTok CEO Shou Zichu has stated that the law unfairly targets the app as a platform for free speech. TikTok employs over 7,000 workers in the United States and is widely regarded as a significant space for expression and creativity. Outgoing President Joe Biden supported the law as a necessary measure to protect national security. However, incoming President Donald Trump has expressed a more lenient stance, stating that TikTok played a role in his 2024 election campaign success by connecting him with younger voters. Despite his opposition to the ban, many of Trump's Republican allies support the law. Trump's incoming national security advisor, Mike Waltz, indicated that the administration would allow TikTok more time to secure a deal with an American buyer, utilizing a 90-day extension provision in the law if significant progress is made. TikTok has warned that if a solution isn't reached, it plans to shut down U.S. operations by Sunday, January 21. This would leave its massive user base and content creators scrambling for alternatives. The platform's lawyer, Noel Francisco, argued that the government's true aim is to control speech, specifically by curbing the influence of potential Chinese misinformation. He stated, "The First Amendment leaves that decision to the people, not the government. The law also restricts services to foreign-controlled apps like TikTok, effectively removing it from app stores such as Apple and Google. This could block new downloads and updates, even if TikTok remains accessible to existing users temporarily." With Trump's inauguration set for Monday, TikTok's future remains uncertain. Chu, TikTok's CEO, will attend the event, signaling potential discussions between the platform and the new administration. Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer has also voiced support for giving TikTok more time to finalize a sale, emphasizing the importance of both protecting national security and preserving the app's operations. The Supreme Court's decision underscores the increasing tension between the United States and China, as well as the growing scrutiny of foreign-owned tech platforms. For millions of American users, this ruling may mark the end of TikTok as they know it, unless a last-minute reprieve can save the app. Stay tuned to this channel for the latest updates on TikTok's fate, U.S.-China relations, and how this decision could impact social media users. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.